About to pull out the rear subframe. Okay, so I just had to detach a couple clips on a brake line and undo the wheel speed sensor that went through the trunk floor right here. And I think I'm ready to drop this thing down. Yeah, here she comes. You're probably saying, dude, you forgot the e-brake. You're right, I did. So there's the e-brake all disconnected. Disconnected from the pedal. Now I think it's actually gonna come out now. Whoa! Okay. Well, it's definitely out. Just gotta pull it out from underneath the car and we'll get this one out of there and gets to fabricating some mounts and whatnot. And yep. Okay, third time's a charm. She's definitely gonna come out this time. Pretty sure. E-brake cable. The gas. Door. Jack in the way. You got room? Yeah. Is this safe? I don't know. Let's take it to the front. Oh, we'll just clean it right here. Oh. Yeah, boy! Jump! Jump! That took way less time than I thought it was going to take, actually. About an hour and a half with the brake. Just dropping the rear end out of the old rear end out of the Duster and freaking forgot to undo one of the e-brake cables again. So we'll do that and then this thing should come right out of here. Okay, only had to cut 2 bolts. And this thing should... Okay, here we go. Out she comes. All the way down. She's on the wheels. Pull her out. Nope. And jack it back up a bit. Okay. Here we go. No, we don't need you anymore. You live out here now. So we'll figure out what we're doing. Woo! Here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, a little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Fuck. Boom. She's in. Fuck, I'm done. All right. Woo. Just built the Duster. So we've been busy. Got the whole wiring harness in here all removed and tagged up. Got all the little tags on it and everything so you remember where everything goes. All the way into the trunk, the fuse box, battery. Oh, looks like a crazy rat's nest of a bunch of wires and shit. Yeah, we're taking it all out of here. We're putting it into here. So, just getting ready to lay it all out in here. And So, laying out the wiring harness in the Duster. Got it all laid out in here. Yeah. The dash and everything. We just got to start hooking up all the wires and buttoning it all up, bolting everything down. A couple of modules and whatnot. And, yeah, seems to be working out. Oh, yeah, buddy. Just about to drop the fuel tank out of the Chrysler 300. That should be fun. Yep, there she is. Oh, it's a big weird shape. Don't think we'll be using this tank. It's too big and weird. We'll probably be using fuel pumps and everything out of it though. Oh, we're coming along here. Oh, look at this garbage in the trunk. Yeah, entire fuel tank, fuel pumps, battery wiring, all of that shit, man. Probably not gonna stay there, but might fire it up like that. Yeah, buddy. Almost done. So, in this bag, hopefully we have everything we need to finish hooking everything up in here to get it to test fire. So, finish the fuel lines, we'll finish the brake lines up, coolant lines, heater hoses, and a little bit of wiring, plug the last few things in, something like that, and I think we should be able to test fire this baby. So let's do it. So just flaring up this brake line here. And reattach it, and that will be the last of the braking system. It'll be all together now. The hangers are hung. We can bleed it, and that should be that for the brakes. Tight. So I'm getting shit done. Got the fuel lines all done. Got the brake lines all done. Got the coolant lines, heater hoses all done. Got the shifter installed. Got the steering wheel installed with the all that. Now we're lengthening some wires here so we can get the fuel pump hooked up. Fuel wires need to go longer because the fuel tank used to be under the back seat in that car, and now presently it's going to be in the trunk till we get a fuel cell, which will also be in the trunk. But so the wires got to get to the trunk, so that's what we're doing now. Shit's coming along though, moving right along, right? Shit, might be able to drive it this year. Cool it. Just did this, put the door harness through to drill some holes and whatnot. Let's just put some wires hanging out of the door now. Oh, it's plugged in the battery. That's what it says. The door's ajar. But to try and start it. Oh my